So we're halfway. We're not halfway there, but
we're not even a quarter.
look at the view. Wow.
You guys want a picture all together?
Yeah.
I love that.
These are wow. We made it to the top. Wow. Do you see this? This.
No, come up here, sir. Come look on the view. You
This.
can't do from down this because that man not just.
She's telling me to come up here to get the full view. Wow. Oh my God. Wow.
Up here, sir, Trish.
I can't go too far from Kaylin. You okay, Mama?
We'll see her. She's in the inside. See the man up there, sir? You see me tell you so you can hike up there?
Wow.
You see him?
Yeah. There's someone hiking right up there.
Look on mine.
Yeah, we're gonna stand with them there.
So good. More I think the one in front of the ear.
Yeah. Wow, look at
Reach
this
up there, just zoom in and take me.
side view. Oh. Are you going? Okay. Wow. So now we definitely took a break right here because it's pretty hot. Wow, but this view is crazy. Wow.
Oh my days. Look at how gorgeous this is. Like, are you shitting me, bro? Look at that. Like, we just got out of the car to pick some pampas, some pampas grass. We ain't got no scissors, but look at that. Oh. Okay, this is Cathedral Rock. This is another hiking area. It's so gorgeous. Trisha at Cathedral Rock.
This is so pretty. Beautiful.
Right?
Alright, so right now we're about to go on to
The Migley Bridge.
Migley Bridge.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, ooh. Wow, look at that.
Oh, I'm gonna take that. I thought that was the Hoover Dam. Got way too excited for that one. Yarr.
Wow, look at that.
It's so close, like, wow.
That's in your face.
Look at the people in the right there.
In the park, I them can't get no parking up with
So them go park and walk?
yeah. And then normally that's what we do, like at the hiking places when there's no park, just park at the side.
Me not do that. Look how far.
Look how they can go down there, Jesus. Our ear nice, see? If I fear.
No, it falls.
Rock Park. They have a few grocery stores where you can buy souvenirs, sunglasses, umbrellas. It is currently raining right now, so this is our second time trying to go into this river because the last time it was freezing freaking cold. And look at the apple tree. So what is this? This is a buzz saw. Look at this. I wonder how far this goes back. Wow. Oh shit. Are you gonna jump? Oh shit. No. Woo! I can't swim, so no. Sadly. I know. He said sadly. Like, what is life?